Some Alien Star Bombs, 100 strip. Actually, it's alright, this is falling apart. We'll be able to get in there and take a peek at these crackers a little bit. They're like colored barber pole, kind of. Yeah, we'll just rip it back a little more. These are really good crackers. I've had a couple of these strips, and this is the last one now. Oh, geez, it just dumped a pile of flash all over that thing. Alrighty. Next, we got a Black Cat, 100 strip, UN. Another Black Cat. Those are some of the newer ones, but they definitely rip pretty good. Some nice Class C